Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from vsesilksarees. In this video we are going to see pure handloom double warp soft silk sarees. All these are tissue border sarees. So we are manufacturers of pure handloom soft silk sarees. All these are our own manufacturing sarees freshly stocked from our loom. So please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications whenever we upload fresh collections. So we are going to see all beautiful color combinations in this video. So please don't skip this video, watch this video fully. This is the very first saree, a beautiful violet with green combination. With both sides you will get this tissue border. All over the saree a beautiful puttas in golden zari. And next is a blue with pink combination. So all these puttas are woven in gold zari and a rich pallu in gold zari. With both sides you will get a tissue border. And next is a pink with bottle green combination. All sarees have a plain contrast blouse in pallu color. So all are very beautiful color combinations. A beige with peachish pink combination. All these are double warp sarees, comes with a SILKMARK certified. So please do book this saree soon. A very beautiful color combinations. Baby pink with teal combination. So we do have video call facility as well, so you can contact us and see it in video call before booking. Also we are giving it for wholesale and bulk orders, so please do contact us and visit us directly for more collections. You can book it from anywhere. So we are shipping all over India and we give international shipping as well. So please don't wait it. Please do book the saree soon. All these are very good quality silk. The approximate price of these sarees between 5,800 to 6,300. So to know the exact price you can WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. So watch this video fully for all the color combinations and book your favorite saree. Also please do share this video with your friends and family if you like our collections. Thank you.